Hi everyone! The humble potato can be found in every kitchen everywhere. Potatoes are one of the most popular and easy to prepare vegetables and one of the most versatile as well. But just because they are simple and easy to make doesn't mean they have to be boring. In today's video I'll show you how to make this giant baked potato roast, and these are the ingredients we need. 5 to 6 large potatoes peeled. Make sure they are about the same size. Sunflower oil, finely chopped mixed fresh herbs, thyme, rosemary and sage. Garlic mashed into a paste. Sweet paprika optional. Salt and pepper to taste. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. This over-roasted potatoes recipe should be baked in a shallow pan. I'm using a tart pan with removable bottom lined with parchment paper. In a bowl, mix together the oil, garlic, sweet paprika and the herbs. Season with salt and pepper and stir aside. Using a mandolin or sharp knife, slice potatoes crosswise as thinly as possible. If you use a mandolin as I do, please be very careful, the blades are extremely sharp. When all of the potatoes are sliced, arrange the slices vertically in a circular pattern. Keep creating concentric circles alternating directions until you get to the center. Brush tops of potatoes with oil mixture. Bake for 1 hour or until potatoes are tender, then increase oven temperature to 190 degrees Celsius and bake for 10 minutes more until tops of potatoes are nicely brown. These baked potatoes are crispy on the edges but soft and creamy inside. They're not only pretty but also delicious, and they make the perfect side dish for any meal. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.